Good afternoon. Heavy rain from yesterday has tapered off, but we could still see light sporadic showers of 5 to 10 millimeters during the day, so be sure to have an umbrella handy in case of sudden rain. The intense heat took a break in many regions yesterday, but heat returns today. Daily highs will be 1 to 4 degrees higher than yesterday, with highs hovering in the low 30s. Seoul getting up to 31 degrees. Gyeongju will be topping out at 33 degrees this afternoon. And it's very likely heat wave alerts will expand to more southern regions as the day goes on today. We will not be having any major heat waves this weekend, with morning rain in the forecast for Saturday. Afternoon highs will remain on the warm side for the time being, but we'll definitely have more comfortable nights. That's Korea for you, and here's the international weather for views around the world.